Hi there, and welcome back to PMN Online. In this video, we are going to cover how to add 200 DMA in TradingView. Understanding the 200-day moving average. So, why should you care about the 200-day moving average? Well, this indicator can be incredibly helpful whether you're a beginner or a seasoned trader. It helps you identify long-term trends and make more informed decisions by providing a clear visual of an asset's average price over 200 days. Now, let's dive into how you can add this powerful tool to your TradingView charts. Step-by-step guide to adding 200 DMA. First things first, let's head over to TradingView and open up a chart. You can pick any asset that interests you. For example, you might choose a popular stock like Apple, known as AAPL, or a cryptocurrency like Bitcoin, represented as BTC/USD. The asset itself doesn't matter for this tutorial, so go with whatever you're analyzing or interested in. Once your chart is up, look towards the top toolbar and find the Indicators button. This is where TradingView stores its collection of technical indicators. Click on it, and in the search bar, type Moving Average. You'll see options like Simple Moving Average or SMA, which is what we're going to use. After you find the moving average, click to add it to your chart. You'll notice a line appears over your asset price chart. But we're not done yet. We need to customize it to become a 200-day moving average. Look at the top of your chart for the moving average line label, and click on the gear icon next to it. This opens up the Settings menu. Go to the Inputs tab, where you'll see an option labeled Length. Change this number to 200. This adjusts the moving average to consider the last 200 data points, effectively giving you the 200-day moving average. Make sure the source is set to close, which means the calculations are based on the closing prices, offering a clear picture of the long-term trends. If you're working on an intraday chart but want it to reflect daily trends, you can optionally change the time frame to 1D. Finally, let's make it visually appealing. Head over to the Style tab, where you can change the color or thickness of the moving average line. Make it stand out so you can easily spot trends against the price movements. Once you're happy with the customization, click OK. And there you have it. Your 200-day moving average is now actively displayed on your chart. This visual indicator will help you spot long-term trends and make more informed trading decisions. Hopefully, this guide helped you easily master how to add 200 DMA in TradingView. If it did, please let us know down in the comment section below. If you want more videos like this, subscribe to the channel PMN Online.